Hey guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. Today I wanted to show you my Target after Christmas clearance sale haul. I got a lot of stuff. I hope you enjoy it and hope you find something you like, and let's jump on into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the wrapping paper. I buy wrapping paper every 2.5 to 3 years because I don't like buying wrapping paper every year. So this is the year I had to restock because I used the last of my wrapping paper this year, this Christmas, and I bought those wrapping papers in 2016. So I bought about 20 rolls of wrapping paper. When I buy wrapping paper, I try not to find anything with Christmas theme because my kids go to a lot of birthday parties and we always have stuff to wrap and birthdays in general. So I try to find things that's not too Christmassy. Like this one had tacos on it, polka dots, cherries right here, plaid. Even, I don't know who these character little girls are, but like genies, whatever. So, that's what I do. And again, some of the stuff I bought, about 60% it's about 75% of the stuff I bought at 70% off. And I went today, and now Target's at 90%. So like today I bought these. These are a bag of bows. They're originally $5. I got paid 50 cents for them. I bought these earlier this year. They're stickers to put on gifts, and I paid 30 cents for it. They're not 10 cents a box, but they're originally $1. So I bought 3 of these. Again, I try to find things that doesn't have a Christmas theme so I can use it. I bought this is kind of a wreath holder for the door. I paid 70 cents today for this. It's originally $7. Really nice. So I got that. Let's move over here. The candy when I went was 50%, and it's now 70% today. But when I went was 50. I paid $1.04 for these two, $1.49. But I think, $1 for this. The most I paid for candy was $2.99. We don't eat this all in one sitting or in 1 week. I freeze it and it lasts me for months. I bought washi tape for my daughter. This was 30 cents. I bought another one, but I don't see. Oh, here it is. Another washi tape with hearts. You can actually use this for Valentine's Day. Huh. Oh well. I bought a skirt. I needed one this year, but I didn't want to buy it, so I said I'll wait till after, and I got it. It was originally $15. I got it for 70% off. I paid $4.50 for it. This is stuffing for blankets or pillows. We do a lot of crafts, so I got this. I paid, I think, 80 cents for it. What else? These two, let me go over there so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, my table is filled. But, I went today. I got this. This was 29 cents for 2. I'm telling you, everyone knew to go to Target right when they had Christmas sale because everything was picked over when I got to 70% off. I was like, I don't think I can wait to 90 because there wasn't a lot of stuff. So I was able to find this. This was actually hidden. A lot of people are hiding stuff in the backs of products so they can save it for when it gets to 90, but I found it, so... the way you can find out what's 90% is look for the Nutcracker, the 4 Realms. The movie Frozen, that doesn't count as Christmas theme. But anything that says Nutcracker or snowman on it, that's what you're looking for the clearance. I got this EOS gift set. It was originally $7.99. They had it for $5.99. I checked online. It was $3.99 online. So when I checked out, I showed it to the cashier and she marked it down to $3.99. They did the same for the table tennis. This is originally $10. I got it for $3.99. So that's a tip for you guys. If you see something in the store and it's just check Target.com on your phone. If it's cheaper, show the cashier and they'll mark it down. It's not just Christmas clearance, anything. So that was a good deal. Come back over here. My living room's a mess. See, look. Real life, people. Real life. I also found these containers. These are 29 cents as well. I found matcha tea. I always wanted to try it, and these were $1.49, so I got this. Only found one Ziploc bag. Again, they were just, it was like nothing was there. These are 29 cents. I wish I found more because I really love Ziploc bags. I found these. They were just in the regular section. Don't just look in the Christmas section. Go to like the cleaning section where they keep all the trash bags and stuff. You'll be surprised. Just look for the snowman. Found these because I bake a lot and I like parchment paper. 29 cents a box. So I bought 7 boxes. Please, if it just, I do this. I always leave stuff for people, for other people. I don't try to clear out the shelves because, I mean, sometimes I would get mad if I see stuff. And people just clear out the shelves. So I try to leave some for others. I found some goldfish crackers, well, graham crackers. These are 29 cents. I found these blankets. I'm sorry, blankets. Wow, a little tired. These towels for dish towels. These were, I'm sorry, I can't remember the price on this thing. 49 cents for 2. So I got these. I got these for these washcloths for 99 cents for 6. If they had more, trust me, I would have bought it. Also, check like the linens, you know, if there's anything Christmas themed, just, you know, like this tag, like Wonder Shop, if you see that, or even Threshold, just look for Christmas theme, because I got these dish towels. These were 49 cents. So also check that area. Don't just check the Christmas place. The only thing, I got these soy candles. These are 79 cents. These were 90% off. I got 3 of them. I stock up on tissue. When I went yesterday, they were 49 cents and 70% off. I went this morning, they're down to 90%, so these are 29 cents a box. I wish they had more of these in the container. I really like these. These are 29 cents as well. Over here, I got Reynolds Wrap parchment paper, 89 cents a box. So I bought 6, and I got Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil for 89 cents a box. And there were only 4, so I'm sorry, I took off 4 because I use a lot of this stuff. Somebody gave me a gift card for Christmas for Starbucks, and I don't drink coffee, so I found this water bottle, or I'll use it probably for tea. Originally $12.95, $3. So I used my gift card for that. So this was free. And lastly, I saw this thankful sign, and I really liked it. And I was like, okay, how much is this? And it's originally $9.99. Your girl got it for 99 cents. So very thankful for thankful. But this is my haul, guys. This all came up to a little over $260. I paid a little under $85. So I think that's a great deal. I hope this was helpful for someone. But yeah, get to your Target. Today's New Year's Eve. So get to your Target, stock up if you need to, and, you know, enjoy. That was a big haul, wasn't it? Oh, I am so proud of myself. But let me tell y'all something. I'm telling you, people are starting to get on the bandwagon with this whole clearance after Target sale, because I went to Target 3 times this past week. Well, it's past 5 days, whatever. And I was trying to hold out till 90%, but every time I went, I was like, okay, these people are really racking up and clearing out the place, even at 50%. So when it got to 70, I started shopping, you know, getting wrapping paper and little things. Then today it was at 90, and so it's like everything's been picked over, and I'm just like, wow, everyone's really starting to get out there. Right, like the day after Christmas, they're like, we'll take 50%, you know, but I kind of like to hold out for 70, 90. But this year, I usually hold out to 90. This year, I couldn't. I had to start at 70. But I still did pretty good. But can we talk about the Mrs. Meyer's? Where's the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supply? I'm like, what happened? I did not find one bottle on clearance. And I'm like, okay, did they stop doing it for Christmas time? You know, just send it all back to the store? I don't know. But I could not find any. Not one. As you can see in the video, I found candles. But I'm wondering, did they get sold out at 50%? Did people, you know, in the comments below, let me know. Did any of you guys find any clearance cleaning supplies at Target this year for after Christmas sale? Because I'm curious. I'm like, is it the stores I go to? Is it my state? You know? But anyway, I'm going to be all right. I have no choice but to be all right. Guys, it's New Year's Eve. And please, please be safe out there. Have fun, but make smart choices and just be safe. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you love hauls like this, if you want me to do more, please give it a thumbs up. And as every YouTuber says, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, until we meet again, have a very blessed day.